now I'm gonna be in a cage where birds fly. Have a look. Okay.
Ew.
What is this? Ew, this one isn't as clean as the other one. Oh, no, get me out of here. No, don't get me out of here. I can survive. Hi, Emo. Oh, okay. He's gonna kill you. Oh. I'm completely bored. He's dead. Oh, snap! Oh, snap! That was really dusty! It was sinking in poo, sinking in poo. Ah! I will headbutt it.
You're getting dust all over your head.
Ow, it hurts when this thing. The heart. Heart. Mwah. He loves the hummingbird, even though he can eat me and I snap and he burp up my feathers. Actually, I guess, right? They can't throw. Yeah, horses can't throw out. Yeah. So I would come out of the butt, which is a great honor. Cause you know, like, when you're going to a wedding, like this happened to me. So this kid, like, eat the ring there. It was 2, and he swallowed the ring. They had to wait 4 days later until it went through his system. Then they got married. True story. True story. Really true. 4 days. Actually, wait, no. Actually, he ate some bad shrimp, threw it up in an hour, and then they got married. Because you can't get married without the ring. You know what I'm saying? It was totally and completely disgusting, but at least they got the ring, right, Emo? See, I'm not sure what finger the ring was on, but I'm guessing it's that finger. Right there, right? Right? The middle finger? Right? The middle finger? Not bad. Oh, your ring finger. This one. Right, okay. Hey, Dentura Shock! Look at my new hubby and me. Look at my new hubby. Even though he can eat me in a snack. He's so cute, my little hubby. Ooh, he's in his ears back. Uh-oh. Oh! Hey. Oh! Hey! This is dried up grass. I have to eat this. Fantastic. And this is my potty. I refocus like a cat. They're not working in their best today. Damn! I only have 3 to last me. I'll do what girls do. They pouch in their cheeks.
But you're eating them, you're not storing them.
I'm trying. I'm hungry.
This is a really good meal.
Can I get out now? And this is a shaving. That's the water bucket. Can I please get out?
Why don't you play with your jug ball?
Can I play with my dolly ball? Ugh. I'll really play with my dolly ball. I'm modeling. Ew, dust. Oh! I'm reading about this book called The Dust Bowl, right? Dust. They would have dust storms. And when they were eating dinner, the woman,
Yeah, I guess so.
would, like, she had regular milk, and then all of a sudden they would drink it and be chocolate milk. You know why? There was dust in it. True story. Read it. Ow. Dust. This is a food bucket. See? Nice and roundular. No, is it roundular or circular?
Circular.
Circular. This is circular. This is circular. May I please get out to my chamber? Oh, who knew? I'm free. Okay.
Is it his?